Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's feeling very well. So today we are looking at this month's Lookiero. Okay, so for those of you that do not know, Lookiero is a monthly subscription. This will cost you £10 a month. They call this your styling fee. If you keep anything out of your box, that £10 will be deducted. However, if you keep nothing, then you lose that £10 basically. If you keep all 5 items, I think you get a 20% discount. My stylist is Toby. I've had him for months and months and feel like he's getting to know me quite well. I'm not usually disappointed with my boxes. There's normally a couple of pieces that I actually really do like. So, inside your box you'll receive some paperwork. You receive a letter, and my stylist is Toby at this time. You also will receive some like little flashcards, how to dress the pieces, which I think is always handy. There's also, if you use my link down below, you'll get 10% discount and I will get a £10 credit if you want to try it and Lookiero it for yourself. And then you get a invoice, which I always leave to the end. So we have first bundle here. So it looks like we've got a t-shirt, a shirt maybe, and maybe some jogging pants. So let's go ahead and have a look. Okay, so the first piece is a t-shirt. Is that for Lee Cooper? Not sure. Maybe it's a size large, white with black writing on the front. Yeah, I quite like this, very basic, which I like. Nice cotton, feels lovely. Okay, nice one. And we have a mustard type shirt. This is quite pretty, nice flowy sleeves. This looks quite expensive. The feel of it's beautiful and soft. I love the little buttons on there. They are actually buttons. The neck is quite open. I do like an open neck anyway. It's got a couple of buttons down here. And it has a little star button here and round ones here. And as I said, I think the colour's like a mustard type colour. Not my usual style, but okay. Then we have a pair of jogging bottoms. Love jockey bottoms, always feel comfortable in them. I like the fact they've got pockets. They are quite a straight leg, and I say they're like a charcoal grey, and they do up at the waist. Yes, they do. Okay, like that. That'll look quite nice with the white t-shirt. So that's the first bundle, and then the second bundle we have. It's like a jumper and some sort of denim here. So the first item is a pair of jeans. Oh, quite like these. These have got a little bit of distressing going on. I don't like too much, but I do like to have a little something going on with my jeans. Oh, I like them. Quite a bit of stretch to them. A little bit of distress in here, and the ankles are frayed on the hem there. So yeah, look alright. Bit of distressing on this knee, and okay, they look okay. The only thing I found with the Kamakamo, who these are by, Kamakama even, sorry, it does tend to show up my cellulite a little bit underneath them, and I sometimes seem to get these awful ridges or lines. And the next piece is this is a pink, and it's got like a tan colour stripe on it, knitwear, nice cardigan. Yeah, it's quite nice actually. Yes, we have pockets. Always like the old pockets. It's only button-up detail. No button-up detail, so it's quite an open one. But yeah, I quite like that. Nice long, basic cardigan. Lovely. Okay, so I will go off camera now, give these a try, and I will leave the video here and I will go through prices, the make and the sizes. So see you in a minute. Okay, so we kick off the try on with the cardigan. So that was this little one here. Now for this, I felt was really good quality. It's very thick. Question is, I don't know what I would actually wear this with. Is it something I need this time of year? Probably not. Do I like it? Kind of. I like the style, just not that keen on the colour. Or if these stripes right now, it's just a block colour, I think I probably would have liked that a whole lot better. But as you can see from the try on, it fits beautifully in all the right places. As I said, it's very heavy and very, very good quality. So let's just see who the brand is and how much. Cardigan. So the cardigan is by Villa. It's called the Vi Sunset Cardigan Stripe in pink, and it would cost £35. Not bad, I suppose. It's a nice cardigan. It's really nice and thick. The second thing I had on was the Lea T-Shirt. I really, really like that. I think I felt I could have done with just a little bit bigger on this. As from the try-on, you can see it's quite short in the body, and I like mine just a tad bit baggier. So for that reason, won't be keeping that. So let me just tell you the details. Okay, it's by Leah. It's called the Leah logo T-shirt basic white, and this would be £18.99. Then had the jeans on. So I haven't seen the playback yet. I don't really get on with Cardigan jeans because they're too soft for me. I need jeans that are quite structured so it doesn't show all my lumps and bumps up. The length was absolutely spot on. I like the small amount of distressing that was on there, so they are quite fashionable, quite trendy. I like them. I'm on the fence about these guys. I'll need to look at the playback, but I would appreciate your comments on what you thought these look like. So let me just tell you, as I've said, they are by Cardigan. They're called the Car Willie jeans. They're dark blue, and they would be £48. Then I believe I tried on the little shirt. That's this. Again, I felt this was a little tiny bit too small as well. However, I do like the design. I really like the colour of this. I think it suited me quite well. I feel like I could have just done with slightly bigger, but I do like it. Do I love it? I don't think I love it, but I really do like it. Okay, and that was, let's have a look. That's, the brand is called Peppercorn. It's called the Angelina shirt Deep Caramel, and that would cost £35.99. Then the last thing I tried on for you was the Jockey Bottoms. Now, these I felt were too big on the top, but they were too long and too tight on the bottom. The material is lovely and thin. This is my style. I really do like these. This is what I would wear every day if I could get away with it. I like the fact they have pockets on the side. Just sling a t-shirt on, a pair of trainers, and they are just brilliant for just running around in. I like the elastication in the waist, and I like the fact that this pulley actually does work and will bring the waist in should you need it a bit smaller. But looking down at myself, I could feel like my lumps and bumps were really showing badly on there, because again, there's just not enough structure to hold all my wobbly bits in, if you like. Okay, and they were by Cafe. They're called the Linda Pants Cafe. The colour's dark grey, and they would cost £29.99. Okay, so the whole box, it came to £167.97 minus the £10 discount styling fee. if you kept all 5, you get, or it's a 25% discount. That would be minus a further £39.49, which gives a whole total of £118.48. So I don't think it was too bad. I quite like the box. It's just a fit on some of them. Oh, I'm so hot today. Yeah, the fit on some of the items weren't great for me. But I think he did a great job. I wasn't like offended by any of the clothes by any means. Yeah, I quite like the clothes. Just before I go, just wanted to share this dress with you that I got. And it's such a pretty cute dress. I don't know if it's everybody's style, but I just wanted to show you it. I got this for £14 and this was from my Asda. And I just love the design of it. It's so pretty, it's easy to wear. It's got the frilly bits at the bottom. It's long enough for me to wear with, I think I'll probably wear these with some wedges or something. But yeah, I really quite liked it. Sorry if you can see my pants through it. So I just wanted to share with you that Asda's got this dress in. Well, my Asda has anyway. Okay, if you haven't already joined the April giveaway for the Jeffree Star mirror, I'll leave a picture up here somewhere for you to have a look at, and I'll leave the link down below for you to click onto. Anyway, that's it for Lookiero. Don't forget, leave me your thoughts, your comments, your feedback down below. Please, please, please keep yourselves safe, keep yourselves well, and I'll speak to you in the next video. Bye for now, take care, bye.